Well, hello folks, and welcome to the show. This is George here, and I surely am glad that you all are here joining me on this beautiful day here. This is here in October, and this is my backyard. This is Maryville, Tennessee, and I love this area so much, and the beauty and everything about it. As you can see, the green belt here in Maryville is just absolutely beautiful this time of the year and pretty much all year round. But I thought I would share some of my stories and daily blogs with you guys, and I certainly hope that you will come along for the ride. And I am just looking forward to trying to talk about Maryville, Tennessee and the surrounding areas, which we are very close to the Great-Smoky-Mountains-National-Park. And so stories that come from this town and all around, I'll try to be adding them throughout my vlogs each day. But most of all, I really would like for you to just see how beautiful this area is, and also for you all to get out and video your own beautiful area, because I know you do have a beautiful area that you're in. So again, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, folks, this is George, and we'll see you down the road. Y'all be safe. Bye-bye.